Welcome to JH. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process of blocking a user on LinkedIn. To begin, navigate to the search bar at the top of your screen and enter the name of the person you intend to block. Once you find them, click to open their profile. On their main page, look for the More button and click it. From the drop-down menu, scroll down until you see the flag icon labeled Report/Block. After clicking that, a window will pop up asking you to select an action. You can choose to block the specific account or report a profile element. For this tutorial, select the Block option. A confirmation message will appear, explaining that you will no longer be connected and will lose any endorsements or recommendations from them. If you're sure, just click the Block button to finish the process. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next tutorial.